Leadership in marriage is a highly charged, volatile, and controversial issue, especially if you interject the word submission into the conversation. Countless men struggle with this daily, as their wives defy them and challenge them. The reason behind this is very complicated. However, most women only feel secure enough to submit to their husband after he demonstrates consistent, mature, responsible behavior over a reasonable period of time. He must prove that he is dependable, trustworthy, and forthcoming with explanations about things that could threaten the stability of his marriage. He cannot rely on barbershop rhetoric and locker room anecdotes as the foundation for how he leads his family. Instead, he should use the biblical principles of love and respect as the moral and ethical framework for his personal affairs and the leadership style he uses when he interacts with his family. Needless to say, this kind of biblical leadership is neither abusive nor tyrannical. Consequently, a woman who is mature enough to understand and appreciate a man like this will have little reservation about submitting to him. But this kind of relationship does not develop overnight. It must be developed over an extended period of time. Men, if submission is an issue in your home, give your relationship time to grow and develop. No one invests their trust in a person overnight. If your relationship survives a few hard times, and you and your wife stand strong together as a team, the submission issue will be overshadowed by your confidence in one another. To kickstart the growth process, consider the following suggestions. The consistent practice of these things might make your wife feel more comfortable submitting to your leadership. 1. Pray for your family. Every man should take time to pray for his wife and children every day. Not just sometimes, but every day. If you make the commitment to pray for your family on a daily basis, you may turn back evil forces that could create strife and division in your home. 2. Model ethical behavior. Biblical leadership requires you to lead by example. You cannot live a shady lifestyle and expect your wife to follow you while observing your participation in unethical or illegal activities. 3. Make responsible financial decisions. If you want your wife to become a wise consumer and cut back on spending, you should monitor your spending habits as well. You should not be guilty of frivolous spending while criticizing your wife's spending on things she likes to buy. Instead, you should set the pace by becoming a wise consumer and money manager. 4. Manage your time. If you want your wife to stop wasting time watching reality television and makeover shows, you should not waste time watching ball games, boxing, and wrestling matches while neglecting household chores and home maintenance responsibilities. You should also monitor how much time you spend playing video games with your buddies while neglecting your responsibilities. This is another marriage success moment with Dr. David Stevens.